Hello everyone. Today is August 11th, 2024. It's Sunday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. AgriFORCE Growing stock rose sharply by 12.4% on Friday, with trading volume significantly enlarged to 23.5 million shares and a turnover rate of 36.6%, which is not much different from the trading volume and turnover rate of the previous trading day, but higher than Wednesday, indicating that the market trading on these two trading days is very active. While a lot of capital has entered the market, a lot of capital has also exited the market. Technically, the stock is currently in an upward trend. So will the stock price continue to rise next? On August 6th, the stock price rebounded strongly by 19.6%, and the trading volume and turnover rate on that day were significantly enlarged, indicating that a lot of capital entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. On August 7th, the stock price fell by 14%, but the next day the stock price recovered the losses of the previous day again, which means that the stock price has established a foothold between 5 cents and 7 cents. We can see that for most of the time from June to July, the stock price fluctuated between 7 cents and 9 cents, so in August, the stock price encountered great resistance twice when it touched this area, but with the current upward momentum of the stock, this area is not unbreakable. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that on August 6th, the stock price soared to the $0.077 area and then retreated, and this action generated a large trading volume. The next day, the stock price fell back to the $0.057 area and rebounded slightly. From August 8th to 9th, the stock price rebounded strongly again and reached a high of $0.078, and occasionally there was a large trading volume in the market, indicating that large funds entered the market and pushed up the stock price. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the average daily capital inflow and outflow data from July 31st to August 2nd are not large, but the net capital outflow on August 5th is $49,000, and the trading volume on that day is also higher than the previous two trading days, indicating that a large amount of capital entered the market during the bottoming out of the stock price, so this is a reverse inflow of capital. On August 6th, the stock price rose by 19%, and its net capital outflow was $73,000. It is worth noting that on August 7th, the stock price fell by 14%, and its net capital outflow was as high as $120,000, but the stock price rose the next day, indicating that this was a reverse entry of capital. From August 8th to 9th, the net outflow of capital decreased a lot, indicating that the selling pressure encountered by the market has decreased a lot. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that due to the continuous decline in the stock price, the current profit rate of the stock is only 20.34%. The stock rose by 12.4% on Friday, and the average daily trading volume in the past 5 days has increased significantly, so the positions below 7 cents have increased a lot. But we can also see that the position volume between 8 cents and 11 cents is still large, and the stock price is likely to go sideways in this area. If the company does not release major positive news, the stock price may not break through this area in the short term. Let's take a look at the latest news about the company. We did not find a catalyst for why the company's stock price rebounded strongly in August, so this may be a capital game. The company's chairman, David Welch, and CEO, Jolie Kahn, said in a June 20th letter to shareholders, "We continue to maintain our resolution to run our company cost-effectively and prudently. We look for ways to maximize our cash on hand, enhance our balance sheet, and keep operations and burn rates at efficient levels." We saw encouraging results of these efforts in the first quarter of 2024. AgriFORCE reduced the principal amount of its outstanding debentures from approximately $11.4 million as of December 31st, 2023, to $7.9 million as of March 31st, 2024, a reduction of 31%. We announced the approval of a $1 million repurchase program for our outstanding shares as we look to demonstrate our commitment to our shareholders by maintaining high standards in our financial and treasury management. One analyst noted that the company is not expected to be profitable this year, which is consistent with the stock's poor performance last year, but the analyst expects sales to grow this year, which could offer a glimmer of hope for a potential recovery. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Technically, the stock price rebounded strongly in August. But the total trading volume is not very large, which also means that the stock price rebound height is limited. But I think that the stock price may break through 9 cents this time, and it is more likely to consolidate between 9 cents and 11 cents, so I set the target price at $0.1. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for AgriFORCE Growing stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price forecasts for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.